Welcome to the demo of Live Gold Price Editor for Shopify. Using this application, you can update the prices of the products in your Shopify store based on the metal price, metal weight, making charges, and so on. Before we begin to update the prices, we need to configure the products. For that, we can search a product using either its product ID or product handle. For this demo, we'll be updating the prices of this product. Copy the product ID and paste it here and click search. We can also search for the product directly from the Shopify admin panel. To do that, click on more actions and select advanced product details. This will search for the product in the application. We have two variants in this product. We will be updating the prices for both the variants. By clicking view in store, we can view the product on the storefront. As we can see, the price of the product is $0 for both the variants. To update that, we have to configure each variant. To do that, select the variant ID. Here we can configure the variant details. First, we need to select the metal type. In case your metal type is gold, select the purity. Enter the metal weight. We can also provide additional details such as diamond price, stone charges, making charges, wastage, transit insurance charges, taxes, miscellaneous charges, markup, and compare it margin price. And click submit. Likewise, we'll configure the details for other variant. Once all the products are configured, go to dashboard, enter the metal prices. And click refresh prices. Now let's check the prices of the product in our store. As we can see, the prices of the product are updated for both the variants. To display compared price, go to dashboard and check show discount prices and click refresh prices. As we can see, compared price is also updated for both the variants. The application supports two default formula. In case you need a customized formula for your store, please contact our support. The application also supports automated update of prices based on the exchange price of the metal in select regions. Please contact our support to enable this feature for your region. Thank you for installing the application. If you have any queries, feel free to contact us. Have a great day.